Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the time freeze editing in the CapCut Mobile. So first you can just add the video like this and split the video into two where you want to freeze. For example, here I'm going to freeze in here. Click on split. Now on the second clip, go to freeze, so swipe through the menu, then click on freeze. So this is the free frame, make it as overlay. Okay, position it under like this, and then just click on the overlay and go to mask, choose the horizontal, this one. Now rotate it. Okay, I'm going to put it in here. Click on the check icon and just adjust the duration of the freeze frame to fit with the duration, and you are done. And this will be the result. So on the right side here, or the right side of the video in here, the time will freeze. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.